Today we're going to be making a winter pine tree, and we're going to start with our template and using a cheap marker to go over top of it so we can transfer the design to the clay. I want to give a shout out to Calder Van Andel. This was his idea to use the spiral. I thought it was fun and I thought I would give it a try. So we're going to take the styrofoam form that we're going to wrap the clay around, and we need to wrap that in paper first. This is important so that the clay doesn't stick to the styrofoam. It's going to be difficult to get the form out without the paper. Now the paper winds up being just a little bit taller than I need it to be, so I'm going to trim it off. Now I'm going to take my slab of clay. I've rolled it out so it's 1/4 of an inch thick. I'm going to smooth it off with a rib and some water. And then I'm going to transfer the marker onto the clay. So what I'm going to do is just rub the paper on the back and then use the rib to apply some pressure, and that will transfer the marker design onto the clay. The marker design will burn off in the kiln, so we don't have to worry about it. It's just to help guide us now. Now I'm going to use a knife tool and just cut along the lines that are in the clay. Now I am going to cut a little bit more than I had drawn out with the marker. It's good to have a few extra coils. It's better to have a few extra than to not have enough. Now I'm going to take the outside edge and start wrapping it around the bottom of my form. I'm just going to gently, as they overlap, gently press the coils together. So now I'm just going to press those coils together a little bit more. I'm going to go through the whole form and do that. Now the top I wasn't very happy with. You can finesse the top how you would like. It's easier just to pop the form out from the top. I wasn't happy with the way the top looked, and so I'm just going to add some more clay on, roll out another bit of a cone, and add it onto the top. Now I want to add texture to the body of the tree. You can do this in a variety of different ways. There you can see we have a couple different examples with different textures. And there it is.